The only mad me I come mad. And when me I'm mad over you, I'm mad, me I'm mad out.
But you're extra
I'm going like say, you know like the extraness.
Trevor, behave yourself now.
You never did say that last night.
Hello, we in a public, you know?
Hey, realize you get very reserved, you know.
You still have going like me, the little girl we meet 12 years ago. I'm a mother, sir. I have to be responsible.
A couple of you too, but you're a mother. Hey, tell the truth. It's not hard to convince people say you have a youth.
All the time. Even when I show them picture with me and Kamisha, them still think I'm a sister.
Cause you're always young, fresh and green.
Hello, sir. Young and fresh. Please leave out the green.
Cool, man. You know what I mean.
Yeah, I know. But nowadays, when them say somebody green, it means that them smell green.
That not go for you, though.
And that's serious, not dear. You don't realize how back to school things expensive.
Oh, that's a every year thing. You can't wait for she reach high school.
That me worry about, you know?
Why? Remember, the high school fee is not as expensive as primary and prep school, you know.
I know the money more worry about Trevor. And the new environment. And she have become a young lady now.
Come. I know you worry about that, you know. But you have to let go. She a grow, you know.
Kamisha reach puberty now, you know, babe. So I just want to keep a close eye on her because at them time the hormone them rage.
Oh, you afraid that she gonna get a little boyfriend?
Hey, nobody talk that too long. Because she not ready for that yet.
That's cool, man. I know that she not ready for that, man. A little joke there, man.
You know, it's a soon time for that talk they do.
Which talk?
The daddy-daughter talk.
Come here. No bother with that, man. You can give her that talk, man.
Excuse me? I'm your daddy?
Other part, them are kind of afraid, I know.
You're better unafraid. Because it don't matter what talk me give her, or your talk matter.
Sean Musta. What me I gonna talk to her about?
The birds and the bees.
Sean Musta. Now usually the mother make them talk yet.
Trevor, Kamisha have both parents in her life. She need to hear from both of them.
But we can't save the talk till she reach high school, though.
Nope, we are going to watch her. And if we see any type of forced right behavior, that's when we are going to talk to her.
Alright. So, you decide where she go finish school? For town or down her grandmother?
Not yet, because we still have to consider when I'm going to start back at normal 9 to 5.
But you don't just stay a call the tours and consider it a full-time job.
No, babe. Thanks for the offer, but that's not my style. I have to find something what I'm very passionate about.
Alright. I understand. But you still have to help me with the marketing part, though.
Of course.
Alright, cool.
Babe, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
How long you plan for work, Carlton? Don't get me wrong, you know, he's a very nice man. But when you think you're going to start your own business?
That is $1 million question. So right now, I feel like I owe him. You know, and I don't really want to walk out on him just like that.
And now it's for workout, you know. But consider owning your own. Or even ask him if mother sell a call the tourist since you're so passionate.
Like funny, you know.
Why you say that?
No, so really and truly, I needed one call the tours first.
What happened?
Long story.
One more a Trevor adventure, not true.
Something like that.
My only hopes that the old Trevor the gone, you know, and him not gonna return.
Don't worry, him not gonna return.
Just make sure.
It's a Valentine. You know someone forget? You better now? Alright. Here what? Give me about 45 minutes. No, man. But I know where now. Alright. Yeah, man. Cool.
It's what?
I forget to me have a meeting with a man from tourist board. I mean, definitely never remember.
I tell you all the while, for tell me about them some years, some I can't remind you.
I slip, my man. We have to go leave now.
No, babe, it's alright. You can go on. May I get Kamisha things there? I have some stuff to pick up around the house.
Sure, you know why we do this the next day?
No, I'm there already, so I thought I was going to do it.
Alright, cool. Come here. Make sure, say, you make Mikey carry you. Call him.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey, we love all that sound. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again, no?
One.
Mommy.
Grandma carried the river. How was it? Good. Hey, you see me next week. Yes, Kamisha, Daddy will be coming. Give back Grandma the phone. Yes, Mommy. Please ensure to your mask bar carefully because guess what? You want to watch the R-rated movies then? No, Mommy. She already asked some questions. Will worry me. May I come down next weekend? Oh, our father come down with me. Please, Mommy. Nobody start with that. The man make an effort for being a child life. Alright, Mommy. Me talk to you later.
Sexy Camille.
What the shit? Dave, what you do here?